crafting an unforgettable Stevie Wonder tribute. Dive into his musical genius and legacy. Stevie Wonder, a name synonymous with musical genius, has left an indelible mark on the world of music. His extraordinary talents and innovative contributions have solidified his status as a true legend in the industry. Born Stevland Hardaway Judkins in 1950, Wonder's life was marked by both challenge and triumph from an early age. Blinded shortly after birth due to retinopathy of prematurity, his disability did not deter his musical spirit, which would soon captivate the world. A prodigious talent, Stevie was signed to Motown Records at the tender age of 11. Known then as Little Stevie Wonder, his aptitude for music was undeniable, setting the stage for an illustrious career that would follow. His breakthrough came with the live recording of Fingertips during a Motortown Revue performance in 1963. The song became an instant hit, topping the Billboard charts and making Wonder a household name at just 13 years old. In the 1970s, Stevie Wonder crafted a sound that was entirely his own, blending soul, funk, rock, and jazz in ways that had never been heard before. His innovative use of synthesizers and new technology heralded a new era in music. Stevie Wonder's exploration of new sounds in the 1970s set him apart as a pioneer in music. His use of the Hohner clavinet, particularly on tracks like Superstition, gave his music a distinctive funky edge that became his signature during this era. With albums like Talking Book, Inner Visions, and Songs in the Key of Life, Wonder not only showcased his musical genius, but also the breadth and depth of his artistry. These albums are celebrated for their rich compositions and complex, emotionally resonant themes. Throughout his career, Stevie Wonder didn't shy away from addressing social and political issues. His lyrics often reflected his thoughts on injustice, creating a powerful platform for change through his music. His influence was particularly significant in the civil rights movement. Wonder was instrumental in the campaign to establish Martin Luther King Jr. Day as a national holiday, highlighting his commitment to activism through his art. Stevie Wonder's stylistic versatility is evident across his body of work, which includes elements of funk, soul, rock, and jazz. This eclectic approach not only won him a wide audience, but also demonstrated his mastery over a range of musical genres. Stevie Wonder's virtuosity spans multiple instruments, but he is most renowned for his expressive piano playing and soulful harmonica solos. His ability to convey deep emotion and complex musical ideas through these instruments has made him a standout figure in music history. His collection of 25 Grammy Awards speaks volumes about his mastery and innovation in the music industry. The Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award he received further cements his place as a musical genius whose contributions have had a lasting impact. Stevie Wonder's collaborations with other music legends such as Paul McCartney and Elton John have produced timeless hits that showcase his versatility and ability to blend different musical styles. These partnerships highlight his influence and respect among his peers. Musicians across generations cite Stevie Wonder as a key influence on their careers. His innovative approach to music and sound has inspired artists in a range of genres, from pop and soul to hip-hop and jazz, demonstrating his broad musical impact. Fans around the world share personal stories about how Stevie Wonder's music has touched their lives, providing comfort, joy, and inspiration. His songs not only entertain but also connect deeply with listeners, resonating on a personal and emotional level. Stevie Wonder's Superstition and Living for the City are prime examples of his lyrical depth, blending funky rhythms with poignant social commentary. His words paint vivid pictures of urban strife and systemic injustice, resonating deeply with listeners and sparking wider conversations about civil rights. Wonder's influence stretches far beyond soul and R&B. He has left an indelible mark on modern music across all genres. Artists from pop to hip-hop continue to draw inspiration from his innovative sounds and emotional depth, proving that his legacy is both timeless and universal. His performance at the Super Bowl halftime show stands out as a pivotal moment, showcasing his ability to captivate a global audience. Similarly, his performance at President Obama's inauguration highlighted his status as a national treasure and a symbol of hope and unity. Stevie Wonder has also been a vocal advocate for international issues, tirelessly campaigning against apartheid and supporting disability rights. His activism is reflected in his music, where he often addresses themes of equality and justice, inspiring his listeners to take action. Despite the passage of time, Stevie Wonder continues to perform and work on new projects, drawing crowds and maintaining a strong fan base. His recent performances are a testament to his enduring appeal and ongoing commitment to his craft and his causes. Stevie Wonder's legacy as a musical icon is undisputed. His ability to blend complex melodies with profound lyrics has cemented his status in the annals of music history. Wonder's influence extends beyond his timeless hits, shaping how music is perceived and appreciated globally. His performances are not just concerts, but masterclasses in musical composition and lyrical storytelling. Each song is a showcase of his skill in weaving narratives that resonate with diverse audiences, making every piece a study in musical mastery. Wonder's connection with audiences across generations underscores his role as a bridge in the musical landscape. His songs offer a universal appeal that transcends age, race, and nationality, fostering a unique bond with listeners worldwide. Moreover, Stevie Wonder has significantly influenced the music industry's approach to artist autonomy and rights. His career is a testament to the power of artists maintaining control over their creative expressions, paving the way for future generations to demand similar respect. As a member of the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, his accolades and recognition speak volumes. Wonder's contributions to music are not just about the notes and rhythms, but about inspiring change and bringing joy to millions. Stevie Wonder significantly influenced the music industry's approach to artist autonomy and rights. His successful negotiation for complete creative control over his music in the 1970s set a precedent, empowering artists to pursue greater independence and ownership of their work. His accolades, including his induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, underscore his vast contributions to music. These honors highlight the esteem in which he is held and the wide-reaching impact of his innovative musical techniques and powerful lyricism. Stevie Wonder's influence extends well beyond his timeless hits. His ability to weave complex social messages into his music has left an indelible mark on both the industry and his listeners, inspiring generations to reflect on and advocate for change. For those new to his work, or longtime fans, delving deeper into Stevie Wonder's discography can be a rewarding exploration of musical genius. His tracks offer a masterclass in creativity, passion, and technical prowess, enriching the listener's understanding of music. To continue discovering the profound impact of musical legends like Stevie Wonder, subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel. Engage with a community passionate about music history, theory, and the stories behind influential musicians.